Hello, everybody. Welcome in your Talking Fitchburg headlines on this first day in September. It's September 1st, 2025, Labor Day. Hope you're having a great day and glad you're tuning in with us for your TF headlines. As you know, it sort of feels like the unofficial end of summer right now. Nevertheless, I hope you had a great weekend and are ready to get back to school for those kiddos who are going back to school tomorrow. Here's what we got going on for you here on the Labor Day. A reminder that our City Hall was closed for today, but it will reopen tomorrow. Same with the Fitchburg Public Library. We were closed for the Labor Day holiday, but all of our city services will reopen tomorrow, September 2nd, at their normal business hours. And refuse and recycling delays due to Labor Day holiday on Monday, September 1st. Refuse and recycling collection will not be happening because of the holiday. Pelletary will be delayed by 1 day for pickup. So if you were supposed to get your stuff picked up today, it's going to be picked up tomorrow, and so on and so on and so forth. If you got any questions, you can contact Pelletary for more information. Hey, the splash pad is now closed. That's right. It opened through the Labor Day weekend, but now that that's over, it's closed. If we open it up any other days, certainly we can let you know. But we appreciate everybody who came out, enjoyed the splash pad. I know we got a little bit of a delayed start because of a broken part earlier this year, but we are certainly glad you took part in helping us enjoy the splash pad at McKee Farms Park. Celebrate National Senior Center Month with the Fitchburg Senior Center. The celebration will happen on Friday, September 12th. Get this on your calendar. The Celebrating the National Senior Center Month event has grown each and every year and will include live music, dancing, featuring Madison's own band party. You may have saw them at Agora Art Festival. Red Hot Horn Dogs, they're back. Enjoy great music, good friends, and some great energy called food and drinks. They'll all be there for purchase September 12th, 5 to 8 p.m. at the Fitchburg Senior Center. A great way to see the Senior Center and see what is going on. A lot of fun stuff there happening. We want to make sure you check it out. Hey, as the kids head back to school, I want to remind you to stay safe and make sure the kids are ready as they head back to school and the transportation side of things. And here are some things that drivers, students, families all should be aware of. If you're a driver, make sure that you follow the speed limits. Watch for students and pedestrians as they're heading to school and from school. Avoid distractions. Put down those phones. Don't have the cell phones. Follow instructions of crossing guards and stop when you see red flashing light on a school bus. When the lights are red, you need to stop. Every time there. For students, make sure you follow instructions of the crossing guards. At a bus stop, stand 5 giant steps back from the curb and always wait for the bus to stop before approaching. Look both ways before crossing the street. And for families, make sure families that you talk to your drivers about the importance of safe driving when entering and exiting a school parking lots. Teach your kids the importance of school bus etiquette, including how to safely get on and off a bus and never distract the bus driver. Reminder and encourage drivers to make responsible choices when you're on the road and you're near those school zones. There's school zone speed limits. When you see children present, you need to adhere to those school zone safety areas. And just a few other reminders, again, as you enter those school zones. We know that the school zones can be chaotic with all the kids. Yes, they're coming to and from school, at the bus stops, whatnot, but truly watching those speed limits, scanning the road and watching for students as a driver is so important. Stay patient too. We know the kids are very excited to get back to school, so when they're coming to and from school, they might have a lot of activity and might not be paying attention, so make sure you're paying extra attention and watching out for those kids, whether they're on bikes, walking, whatever they're doing. You want to make sure that they're there. And follow instructions of a crossing guard. When you're at any of those areas where a crossing guard is at, make sure you slow down and yield there as they put out their stop signs to let kids cross. For pedestrians, make sure you stay on the sidewalks and use the crosswalks. Don't jaywalk. Make sure you use those crosswalks. Look both ways before crossing the road. So important as you are entering traffic there. Look both ways before crossing the road. And caregivers, for teen drivers, talk to your kids about the importance of safe driving, entering and exiting the school parking lots. More information at wisconsindot.gov. They have some great information that can help you stay and be prepared as those kids head back to school. And make sure you say hi to those bus drivers and make sure that you follow their instruction too. When you are at those bus stops, wait for them to tell you to get on the bus and wait for them to tell you to cross the road to get to and from wherever you are getting on and off the bus, I guess. Have a great day, everybody, and welcome back to school, those kiddos.